Hi, people ask me how do I find a patient that I've already rejected. We can have a look in the utilities file, and if the tech has access to rejected images, you will have rejected images here selectable. This particular site doesn't have it activated, so for them they need to go to image recovery the old way, and that loads a list of all the patients that have been taken, and you need to know the date and time value of your image that you are looking for. And it's like looking for a needle in a haystack. When you have a tech access to rejects enabled for your basic users, it will give you rejected images as a selectable option in this screen, and that means that it takes you off to a screen that otherwise key operators can see, which is the flagged image list, and allows people to see just the rejected images, and they can choose to unreject. See the button here, unreject. So you select your image and you press unreject, and it puts it back in the study where you originally rejected it from, which it has, and that sits now in image review, and there's my image that was previously rejected, and it's now placed back in the study that it was originally captured in. Sorry, autofocus is not good. Okay, so if you want to capture more images or you need to reprocess that image, you can select it, go through your post-processing tools and edit what you need to edit, and accept the image if you want to. If you don't want it anymore, you can reject the image and give it another new reason, and it will put it in way gone, deleted, and test image patient can be discontinued. That's what the DC button is, discontinued. The discontinued patient sits in the cancelled bin. So they may not have been done today, they may be in the unrestricted time window. You can see the orange in status on the work list. If I look for all statuses, you can see there's a list of lots of patients. Green ticks indicate the patients that have been completed and delivered, whereas the black ones are open folders, unended patients, and we want to make sure that those patients do not remain on the system. So from a QA perspective, you always deliver your images and end the studies. Otherwise the PC will eventually start to become slower as it hits its high watermark of too many unended exams, filling the RAM with needless data, which slows down the image capture aspects of the platform for navigating screens and loading screens.